Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum. This is the top of the line for your F-150 and it shows. Not only is this truck loaded with new features courtesy of the refresh slash redesign that just occurred, I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. This leather is just phenomenal. And you also have Alcantara open pore wood trim, Bang & Olufsen sound system. If you get a massive wind blast, I'm sorry, it's just super windy today. There it is. Just a really, really nice truck. Located right there in the bed is your generator. You can use that to power all your tailgating accessories. This is the 3.5 EcoBoost, 10-speed automatic. Trying to see, I don't think this one is the power boost. I don't think it is. Exterior color, antimatter blue, absolutely beautiful color, and then black interior, $72,890. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but you get a lot for the price. Which will be demonstrating the automatic parking, will be demonstrating the ride over some rough roads, and of course, the power. Actually, I will go to the passenger side. Ah, no, we have light here. I'll show you just how much this seat reclines, where it turns itself into a bed. You'll see the bottom of the seat start to inflate a little bit to support you. And then it's a bed. It is very, very comfortable. I have laid in it. You also have Bang & Olufsen sound system speakers in your headrest, because why not? Oh, it's gonna do the thing. Stay. Right rear door, come on! I don't need this today. Hey, you want another tour of the truck? Stay closed. Oh my goodness. Just how I get my exercise in? So my steps for the day? Whew! Alright. There we go. Bolts. Absolutely beautiful truck. Alright. Seatbelt. Now we'll demonstrate automatic parking. Really, really cool feature. Press the P up top here. Active Park Assist. Select perpendicular. Put it into neutral, release the steering wheel. Hold the park button, and release the brake. It's the end of the reverse. It's going to go ahead. I'm not touching anything. As long as I keep holding that button, put itself into drive. And now it's going to reverse the rest of the way. At any point you can release the button and shift the shifter to cancel it. And it'll put itself into park. I mean, that is awesome. That's the best parking system I've ever used. It is absolutely impressive. Now we'll go ahead and I'll take over driving. Now you might notice a little bit of a different route. There's some reasons for that. None that I really want to get into. But I actually have changed the test drive route. We're staying on property now, allows me to film more vehicles, and I can just showcase a lot of the stuff around here. I have a bumpy road section, I have an acceleration section, low speed parking maneuvers. So it's actually a benefit, and I don't have to drive 30 minutes to get to the other location. You do have massaging seats. I actually filmed a Lariat, however you want to pronounce it. Somebody's going to correct me in the comments. Drove that, didn't have massaging seats. This has a lot. It's a very similar truck, obviously. But this has all the features you would ever want. It's also $20,000 more expensive than the Lariat. But it is worth it in my mind. It is an absolutely beautiful truck. Very, very nice to drive. Super luxurious. I mean, I was a big fan of the F-150. There's a reason why it's one of America's best-selling vehicles year after year. I'm going to shut off the massaging seats because having something rolling my butt is kind of awkward. It's like filming while somebody's gently caressing your bottom. It's weird. Now, I am in sport mode. Very, very customizable drive modes, which we will get into after this acceleration. It hauls when the seatbelt isn't clattering against the plastic. This thing hauls. I'm gonna go ahead, put it into mud/ruts, as there's a lot of big potholes coming up. So it's gonna use the 4x4 system to kind of help it out. I'm actually going to disable that because it actually locks the differential. I didn't think it was going to do that, but it does. Alright, now I'll demonstrate all the different drive modes. In sport, actually I'll go all the way over. Rock crawl, mud and ruts, deep snow and sand, slippery, normal, tow haul, eco, and back to sport. The graphics graphics are better than my PS3 that I had. In your truck, it's insane. Same thing with this screen. The graphics on the screen are just absolutely phenomenal. I am blown away by this truck. This definitely is on par with the Ram now. Ram beat out the F-150 in terms of interior luxury, and now it is very much on par, maybe even a little bit above the Ram. It is a bargain for sure. Very curious to try out the power boost. That'll be very, very cool. By the way, the range to empty right now, and this truck drives around the lot. It's not getting the best mileage in the world. 576 miles to empty. 576 miles to empty. And that is a low estimate because the average fuel economy is very, very low because it just sits and idles. That is insanity. I mean, this truck is a game changer. It's blown the Silverado out of the water, clean out of the water, and it is taking on Ram. Wow. Did not think I would love this truck as much as I do. I loved the 2020 F-150, and this is just a whole different ball game. You're in a different league right now. It is absolutely sensational. One of my favorite trucks I've driven in a long time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.